Hello you guys, over here I have a Galaxy S7H. This one I just did a glass removal. It came out pretty good. Everything functioning, as you can see. Everything still works. I'm doing this video so everybody can see that it is possible. It's a lot of work, but it is possible if you just put your mind into it. Let me see. As you can see, everything is still functioning how it's supposed to be functioning. So everything's perfect. You can see. That's a Galaxy S7H, and this is a Verizon one. The back is also cracked. We're gonna be able to fix that one once we get the part coming in. If you can see, I already removed the screen off the glass of the screen. I'm gonna let the camera focus. As you can see, the glass is already off. I already got the new glass coming in. I already got the new glass that I'm gonna put on it. The glasses right now are very expensive, so just be careful. Don't break it, don't mess it up. Here's the glass foot. I'm gonna put on it. That's how it's gonna look. And once we get it finished, I'll make another video showing you guys how everything's gonna come out. All right. As you can see, we got the glass already off. Of the screen already. You're gonna have to clean it. Everything is functional. Everything the curved screen as well. So we're gonna have to put a new glass on it. We already have the glass over here that we're gonna put on it. The new original glass. And there you go. It is possible, you guys. This is the Galaxy 7H. And this is the Verizon model. This one has a cracked back too. I'm gonna make a video showing you how to take that off too. And we already got a back coming in, so we're just waiting for that part to come in as well. And there you go. It is possible, you guys. You just have to work on it. That's all. Once I finish putting the new glass on it, it's gonna look much better now than what it is right now. Alright, you guys. Today I have Galaxy S7H. I will remove the glass on it, as you can see, and everything is working perfectly like it's supposed to be. So if you guys have any questions, I'm not going to show my method because I spent a lot of money on time trying to figure out how to take it off without breaking the LCD, and I found a way how to do it. Yes, it took a lot of work to do, that's why. But everything's working with the phone. I can remove any Galaxy S7H, S7H or X6H, any Note H, any type of Galaxy H, I can probably remove by this method that I figure out without any problems. We're gonna put a new glass on it. I already have the glass over here. I already purchased the glass, so stay tuned and we're gonna see how it's gonna come out. All right, you guys. We also gonna find out. It also has a crack screen, a back crack. So we're gonna replace it right now. I don't have the part for it right now, but we're gonna order it. It's already in the mail. They should be here maybe Monday or Tuesday. So we're gonna get that one done. I'm gonna show you guys how to remove the back, because we need to get inside the phone so we can turn it off and remove the motherboard so we can put the new glass and the new with the UV and everything. All right, you guys, stay tuned and let's find out. Let's turn the phone off first. And to remove the glass, we're just gonna have to use some heat gun, some heat. I'm gonna use the metal tweezer, metal opening tool. I'm gonna use also this type of tool right here. This type of tool, some screwdriver that I use to remove all the screws. And here we go. Let's put some heat on it. Make sure it's very warm. We're not gonna have no problem because it's already cracked. So it doesn't matter if it cracks more. I would recommend you guys wear some safety goggles because you don't want to get any glasses into your eyes. That would be really bad. So just heat it up, heat it up. Really good. Really good. Make sure you don't stay in one spot. You don't want to burn anything underneath your screen, underneath the back cover. That should be enough. Now let's start opening. First of all, I'm gonna start from the top. very careful. Go all around the edge. Start putting your fingers if you can. Start pushing out. Yes, glue, guys. Don't go too deep inside the foam because you don't want to hurt. You don't want to damage any components inside. Just continue to go all around, all around. There you guys go. Push it out. And you can just rip it off. And there you go, guys. This is the back. As you can see, I'm gonna need this back right here, I believe so. I don't know if the new one brings it or not. If you need it, you can take out this one out, and that's how you take the back of the Galaxy 7H. All right, let's throw that on the side. Now we have a couple screws over here that we're gonna have to remove. As you can see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, I believe 12 screws. Then we're gonna have to remove. Put some light over here. 12 screws we're gonna have to remove. So let's get it. Alright, there you go, you guys. This one comes with some plastic over here that we're gonna have to remove. This right here on the top, and I believe they call it the NFC. to charge it wirelessly. So start removing this one. These are just some plastic covers. Got some snaps on it. There you go, guys. Nothing too much. Let's remove the bottom one now. There you go, guys. Here's the charging port, fingerprint, and let's remove the last piece. And there you go. Just like that. Now I'm gonna have to disconnect the battery, the digitizer, and let's try it and clean out the screen now. So let's take all this stuff. Let's get some plastic tool. Underneath there should be another cable for the charging port. Remove these antennas out of there. Just push it down, and there you go. Now let's take the motherboard out. Don't forget to take the SIM card out. I just did that. I will do. And there you go, that's the motherboard right there. Just put it aside. Hit the screen. Now we're gonna start cleaning it up. Let's clean it up. I'm gonna use this type of cleanup. I got this one from Walmart. It's all natural, so give it a shot if you want to. This is what I do to clean up. For a couple of them. And with the brush, just go at it. Now we're gonna clean it up. It doesn't have to be perfect because the UV glue is gonna cover everything out of there. So that should be good. Just make sure you don't have no big pieces of dirt, anything. Let's put some alcohol. Let's dry it up.
Alright, that should be good, guys. Let's just remove. Make sure there's nothing left over here. Any big pieces. That should do it. Alright, so we're starting to get it to put a new glass on it. But before that, we have to put some glue on it. let's see if we can find what we're looking for. We have some tape, double-sided tape that we're gonna have to use. We find the scissors over here, and this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna have to put some tape. Alright, we're gonna put some tape over here. I think the thick one will work on it. We're gonna cover corners because you don't want the UV to go all over the camera and the sensors and all that stuff. So we're gonna have to cover all this stuff right here, right in there, right in the edge, and make sure that the new screen is gonna sit on it perfectly so we don't get any lift. It was too big, looks like it. Put some right here. Put some right there, a little bit right here. Alright, now at the bottom. The bottom one is a little tricky because you cannot see where the numbers, where the sensors are. So we're gonna have to look at your screen, make sure we're not putting nothing. Make sure we're not gonna cover them up. Put some right over here. Put some right here. Put some right here, and put some right about here. Just like that. Now we're gonna get the other one, the skinny one. Cut the pieces. We're gonna cover this thing right here on the top. Make sure we get a good seal. Right here too. Put some right over here as well. on where the camera goes. Just like that, you guys. See? Like that. Just put some on the bottom. And let's see, maybe we can put some right here too as well. To cover the fingerprint, make sure nothing get into it. Perfect. Alright, now guys, we're gonna have to remove all this. Just like this. Alright. Now let's start removing all this paperwork. Alright guys, let's continue. Alright, just like that guys. Let's turn the UV light on. We're gonna put some glue on it, some UV glue. This is the one that we use. It's a local UV TP2500. Alright. And before we put some glue on it, we have to cut these little where the camera goes. The camera and the sensor, we have to make a little hole on it. Make sure you don't damage the screen. It's a little plate. Alright, just like that guys. Same thing with this. Very careful. Yeah, like this guys. just like that. So now I'm gonna put some UV glue. Make sure there's not dark big pieces of Don't put too much UV because you don't want to go overboard. You have to clean a lot of mess. That should be plenty. Just like that. Make sure you don't get no bubbles. If you see a bubble right now, take it out. And now we're gonna put the glue now, the screen now. Be very careful. Don't let it go all the way, let it go slowly. Now let's push these now. Now this part is done completely. I'm gonna put it to UV this side. Alright, now this side is good. I'm gonna have to finish with this side. Just do the top now. Let's do the bottom now, and we should be done. Just like that. Keep it, hold it. We're gonna leave it there for a little bit, maybe for like 2-3 minutes. One is done. I'm gonna show you the final result. Alright guys, we finished with putting the new glass on it. Just gonna clean it. And there you go, guys. Galaxy 7H glass repair only. Now we're gonna put the motherboard and everything and test it out. Alright, you guys, and this is it. The phone is completely now fixed. Everything's working perfectly. Everything's working, guys. There you go. Galaxy 7H fix and fix. Glass only. Alright guys, take care. Next video, it probably will be this. I got a Galaxy 6 active. This screen works. I'm gonna have to see if we can remove just the glass only, okay? If you want to see this, let me know and I'll make the video happen. Alright, take care guys.